Saint Agnes Eve, by Lord Tennyson. LibriVox.org. Deep on the convent roof the snows are sparkling to the moon. My breath to heaven like vapor goes. May my soul follow soon. The shadows of the convent towers slant down the snowy sward, still creeping with the creeping hours that lead me to my Lord. Make thou my spirit pure and clear, as are the frosty skies, or this first snowdrop of the year that in my bosom lies. As these white robes are soiled and dark to yonder shining ground, as this pale taper's earthly spark to yonder argent round, so shows my soul before the Lamb, my spirit before Thee. So in mine earthly house I am, to that I hope to be. Break up the heavens, O Lord, and far, through all yon starlight keen, draw me, Thy bride, a glittering star, in raiment white and clean. He lifts me to the golden doors, the flashes come and go. All heaven bursts her starry floors, and strows her lights below. And deepens on and up, the gates roll back and far within. For me the heavenly bridegroom waits, to make me pure of sin. The Sabbaths of eternity, one Sabbath deep and wide, a light upon the shining sea, the bridegroom with his bride. End of poem. This recording is in the public domain.